Can I ask someone to share your own opinion about the workshop today? And Mỹ Duyên, can you share something with us? Because you're such a wonderful student today, and as well as Thùy.
Yes, I really find it interesting to learn with Capstone Vietnam, and although I can write in English, also I can write English essays very well. I still find it useful to learn with Capstone and interesting, and and most of the knowledges I learned here, or I've learned most of them already, but they are still meaningful to me, and I will hope that we will have wonderful lessons later. And I also thank you for doctor and teacher and the teachers here for teaching us such a meaningful lesson.
Thank you very much.
And also, you can call me Bakmak, given your age and my age.
Yes.
Okay, so can you share something with us about the lesson today?
Well, yeah. So it's my first time being here, so I must say that I'm pretty impressed with how it's gone so far. I think the materials have been very relatable. Not relatable to every single person here. I can't say for sure, but at least for me, I'm pretty sure that I've understood most of the information that's been given out throughout this session, and also I was really interested. I was really taken back at how it was prepared for this session right here, and I think it would be really helpful if you continue doing this sort of combined complex structure of teaching. I'm not sure how to explain that coherently and well, simply, but I think it's been a meaningful lesson overall, and I hope to see more in the future. And thank you, Mr. Mark, for today, and also you, Mrs. Ling. Yeah, thank you all.
Thanks very much to both of you for your feedback. Thank you, everybody, for joining us.